Usher is...
Usher.
Nasa bansa ngayon ang Korean pop star na si Kim Yoon-jung, miyembro ng popular boy group na Double S, 501. Ngayong gabi, mapapanood ng live sa Araneta Coliseum si Kim, kasama ang 6-member Korean pop group na Beast. Ang kapuso natin si Jerry De Belen, a self-confessed Kim Yoon-jung fanatic, files his special report for Star Talk.
I know it's his first time in the Philippines. How does he find it so far? What has he seen?
필리핀에 방문이 처음인데 공항에서부터 팬분들께서 많이 나와주셔서 방문 환호해 주시고 또 필리핀 따뜻한 나라인 만큼 마음씨도 따뜻하지 않고 정말 즐기고 있습니다.
Even though it's his first time to come here in the Philippines, he was very excited to be here because everyone was waiting for him a lot. And then in the airport, there are many fans who are waiting for him. So actually, he thinks that they're very hot because he's saying hot. Okay, so here's a few questions that I'm sure all the girls out there want to hear answers to. Are you single? Or do you have a special someone back in Korea?
지금 여자친구나 한국에 특별한 여자분은 없어요. 네. 지금은
As of now, he doesn't have any girlfriend in the Korea, so he's single. So available na, no? Who's available girl? How do you feel? Okay, so do you think he could fall in love with a Filipina?
지금 첫 방문이니까 친구들도 많이 만들고 싶고요. 필리핀 여자친구들도 많이 만들고 싶고 또 이렇게 시내에서 필리핀 또 휴양지 유명하기 때문에 필리핀 친구들 새롭게 사귀어서 정말 시간 올 때마다 또 놀고 그러고 싶다.
Since this is his first time visiting here in the Philippines, he wants to have so many friends and then also looking around the Philippines. Actually, among Koreans, Philippines is very famous to take a rest because of the fresh air and nice nature. So actually, he wants to have many friends. And also, if it's possible, girl friends. Yes, yeah, friends or girls. Yes, yes. Okay, please invite everybody to watch your concert tonight. I will be watching.
네, 필리핀에 계신 팬 여러분들 내일 있을 콘서트 정말 좋은 시대에 따뜻한 마음으로 봐주셨으면 좋겠고요. 내일 컨디션 조절해서 100%의 무대를 만들어 드릴 테니까 많이들 와주시기 바라겠습니다. 감사합니다.
He's going to have a benefit concert for unwed mothers and their children. So he hopes all of you to come and enjoy this time.
Performing alongside Kim tonight is another K-pop phenomenon, ang Voice of the East standing tall o mas kilala sa tawag na Beast. Ang grupo ay binubuo ni Son Dong-hoon, Yang Yo-seob, Yong Jun-hyung, Lee Gi-kwang, Yo Dun-jun at Jang Yoon-seung.
Since they are now very famous, even though they haven't been together for more than a year, I would like to know if they would be interested in doing dramas or going into acting.
기회만 생긴다면 필리핀에서도 연기를 하고 싶어요.
If they have a chance to have some program in the Philippines, yeah, they want to join your program or Philippines. Really? Yeah. Okay. And we will be waiting for your concert tonight. I'll be there. I'll be watching.
Wow. Thank you. Bye-bye. Salamat po.
Mas makikilala niyo pa si Kim Yoon-jung at ang mga miyembro ng Beast sa eksklusibong panayam bukas ng Showbiz Central. Abangan!